Good morning, dear students. So, you all know that you are the students, and our school is proud that we are having the classes from nursery to second PU, isn't it? And we should be happy that we are getting an opportunity to see education in a good infrastructure with a good management, and almost all the facilities are being provided here, isn't it? Yes. But here and there you can see some of the children, they are not getting proper education, right? They are deprived of the education. They are doing some works outside. Instead of going to school, they are doing works, working in hotels or going for the factories, mining. Like this, various works have been done by the small children in the society. These are all why the students are doing, because they have poverty, right? Our society is facing poverty. The parents are not having that much condition or ability to send the children to the school, right? So, in our every way we can find the children are working. In the age from 6 to 14 years, it is considered as a very important age. But in such an age, the children are working, isn't it? So, government has provided Right to Education Act in the year 2009 to provide free and compulsory education for almost all the children who belong from 6 to 14 years of age, right? And many of you have learned about it, 9th to 10th standard students, isn't it? In spite of many measures taken by the government to reduce this child labor, we find still child labor is occurring in the society. So to root out that, the Child Labor Day is done on 13th of June. The Child Labor's Day is done on 13th of June every year. Why? In order to remove the child labor from the society. Isn't it? So whoever come across such children from age of 6 to 14 years, they should give an information to the school that this type of students are lagging behind from the studies, isn't it? And it is our duty to give good education to all the students, and government is also trying to provide good education, and many acts have been provided by the government to root out the problem of this child labor, poverty, illiteracy and all. If the students are being literate, that is they are able to read and write, then surely we are going to root out the problem of this child labor. Okay? So, everyone take a position for the oath for this child labor prohibition.